Hey, this is Trevor with SSV Works, and today on SSV TV, we're talking about audio upgrades for your 24 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT. So you've got a 24 or newer Jeep Wrangler or Gladiator. They made a bunch of improvements over the older JL and JT. New radio, nicer interior trims, updated the soundbar, added some dome lights to it. Actually works pretty nice, but it still sounds like a Jeep stereo. It needs a lot of help. So we came out with speaker adapters that let you put a proper 6.5 or 6 3/4 inch speaker in the soundbar and ditch those tiny little 4-inch speakers that give you tiny little sound. This adapter fits directly into the stock hole, and all you have to do is trim out the little 4-inch plastic, mount your proper 6 3/4 or 6.5 inch speaker so you can have quality sound, and we even retain the cool new dome lights in a simple and easy to install system. The kit comes with the 2 mounting plates, comes with a gasket to seal it, the mounting brackets that you need to be able to do the install, and plug and play harnesses directly from the stock Jeep connector to either an SSV speaker or a universal speaker plug so you can have any speaker you want in there. Install's pretty easy. You remove the factory grill cover, you lay ours over the top, you trace it, you trim it, and you're ready to install your new speaker. So if you've got a 24 newer Wrangler or Gladiator and you want it to sound as good as it looks, our new adapter plates are going to be the trick for you. Thank you for watching our video. Remember to hit like and subscribe and leave your comments and feedback. For more information, go to ssvworks.com. I'm Trevor. This is SSV TV. We'll see you out there.